Hi, my brilliant chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to cook one of my Italian grandmother's favorite meals, sausage and broccoli rabe. What I used to prepare this dish was some sweet Italian sausage. You can use hot too, but this is what she used to use. Plus a bunch of broccoli rabe, a few garlic cloves, olive oil, a little tiny bit of crushed red pepper flakes, and good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's get cooking. Start off by poking a few holes in the sausage casings so they don't explode during cooking. A metal fork is typically sharp enough for this purpose, or you could use a knife. Then add the sausage to an oven-safe pan or tray, and we're going to bake this in the oven for 20 minutes at 375 degrees. And you should feel free to turn them over every 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that it's cooked evenly. While the sausage is roasting, prep the broccoli rabe. There's many techniques that I've seen for preparing and cooking broccoli rabe, but this is how my grandmother taught me. Using a sharp paring knife, cut about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch off the end of the stem and drag the knife up towards the leaves to get rid of the string and also the bitterness of the broccoli rabe. This will remove some of the outer skin from the stem and most likely some of the leaves, but that's to be expected. The leaves can also tend to be bitter, and I don't like the leaves too much to begin with, so I don't find this very wasteful. The flower and the heart of the stem is prime time. Then prep the garlic. You don't need to mince or chop anything here. Just set your knife down flat over the top of the clove and give it a good whack, or simply press down firmly. This will loosen up the papery skin so you can just remove that easily and discard this paper and set the smashed clove aside. Add in olive oil and garlic to a hot pan. We're just kind of going to brown the garlic a little bit. We're not really looking to cook it through. But give it a good mix. Make sure the olive oil is coating the pan thoroughly. Then place in some of the broccoli rabe, but not all of it. We're trying not to overcrowd the pan here. Stir that around, and then once it's wilted a little bit, add in a little bit more olive oil. Give it a good mix before we add the seasoning. After it's cooked for a little bit longer and wilted, season with salt, pepper, and the crushed red pepper. I only add in a little bit of pinch. I don't add much because I'm not a fan of spicy food whatsoever, but feel free to add more if you'd like it to give it a little bit of an extra kick. Mix it around to get those seasonings comfortable at the party, and then pour in about 1/2 cup of water, which will add a little steam to the pool. This little bit of water will also help to keep the veg from browning and overcooking. Once you've added the water, mixed it around a little bit, cover with the lid and cook the broccoli rabe till it has fully wilted and become tender. I didn't film this part, but once the sausage is done in the oven, add that to the pot of broccoli rabe and give it a stir to incorporate all the flavors in together with each other. And then add it to a serving plate, tuck in, and enjoy. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!